I'm showing you chicken tenders, the most popular dish you can see in every restaurant on a kids menu. So it's very easy to make, very tender. Don't waste time. Let's move on to the video. Josh Moses Kitchen. Let's make this chicken tender or chicken strips together. We need 500 grams of chicken cut into strips. We are using breast here. Add half cup of thick buttermilk, 1 tablespoon of salt. Combine well. Set it aside for 30 minutes. We need 2 cups of breadcrumbs. Add few chopped parsley. This is completely optional. Place the chicken onto the crumbs. Coat the chicken with the panko crumbs. Set it aside like this. Onto the hot oil, fry the chicken strips. Flip it in between until it's golden in color and juicy inside. Don't overcook the chicken. The chicken strips are ready. So easy, so juicy, so tender, you can enjoy with any sauce on the side. This recipe, have you ever tried? What about this one? Have you tried? What about this one? Have you never tried it? Then what about this one? Just make sure you try it.